What if one small phrase could make your English sound much more natural? Instead of saying, I'm happy, you could say, I'm glad, I'm excited, or I'm relieved. Instead of saying, I understand, you could say, that makes sense. Instead of saying, I don't like it, you could say, it's not really my thing. These are small changes, but they make your English sound more real, more fluent, and more confident. Welcome back to Real Life English Talk. This is part 2 of our shadowing practice on replacing basic English words with more natural English. In part 1, we practice words like very, good, bad, nice, big, and small. Today, we'll practice emotions, opinions, reactions, and daily phrases you can use in real conversations. I'll say a basic sentence first. Then, I'll give you a more natural version. Listen once, then repeat after me. Focus on rhythm, pronunciation, and confidence. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start with happy. Instead of I'm happy, you can say I'm glad, I'm excited, or I'm relieved. I'm happy you came. I'm glad you came. Repeat, I'm glad you came. I'm really glad to hear that. I'm excited about the trip. I'm relieved everything worked out. Notice the difference. Glad means happy in a calm way. Excited means happy about something coming soon. Relieved means happy because a worry is gone. Repeat, I'm glad. I'm excited. I'm relieved. Now, let's replace sad. Instead of I'm sad, say I'm upset, I'm disappointed, or I feel a bit low. I'm sad about it. I'm disappointed about it. Repeat, I'm disappointed about it. I'm a little upset right now. I've been feeling a bit low lately. I was disappointed, but I understood. Now, let's replace angry. Instead of I'm angry, say I'm frustrated, I'm annoyed, or I'm really bothered by this. I'm angry. I'm frustrated. Repeat, I'm frustrated. I'm annoyed because nobody told me. I'm really bothered by how this was handled. I'm not angry, I'm just frustrated. Now, let's replace interesting. English learners say this a lot. That's interesting. But sometimes it sounds too neutral. You can say, that's fascinating. Repeat, that's fascinating. That's a really fascinating idea. I've never thought about it that way. That's actually really thought-provoking. Instead of interesting conversation, say meaningful conversation, deep conversation, or engaging conversation. We had an interesting conversation. We had a meaningful conversation. Repeat, we had a meaningful conversation. The discussion was really engaging. We had a deep conversation about life. It was one of those conversations that stays with you. Now, let's replace important. Instead of this is important, say this matters. This is important. This matters. Repeat, this matters. Your opinion matters. This decision really matters. It matters more than people realize. Instead of very important, say essential, crucial, or a priority. This is very important. This is crucial. Repeat, this is crucial. Sleep is essential for your health. Clear communication is crucial. This project is a priority right now. Now, let's replace difficult. Instead of this is difficult, say this is challenging. This is difficult. This is challenging. Repeat, this is challenging. Learning a language can be challenging. The situation is complicated. It's challenging, but it's not impossible. Instead of a difficult person, say a demanding person, a complicated person, or someone hard to please. He is difficult. He is hard to please. Repeat, he is hard to please. She can be quite demanding. He's not a bad person, he's just complicated. Some people are harder to work with than others. Now, let's replace easy. Instead of it's easy, say it's simple, it's straightforward, or it's manageable. It's easy. It's straightforward. Repeat. It's straightforward. The instructions are simple. The task is manageable. Once you understand the system, it's pretty straightforward. Now let's practice common daily phrases. I'll give you the basic sentence first, then repeat the natural version. Basic. I'm very busy. Natural. I have a lot on my plate. Repeat. I have a lot on my plate. I can't talk right now. I have a lot on my plate. Basic. I'm very stressed. Natural. I'm feeling overwhelmed. Repeat. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed today. Basic. This is very expensive. Natural. This is overpriced. Repeat. This is overpriced. Honestly, I think this place is overpriced. Basic. This is cheap. Natural. This is affordable. Repeat. This is affordable. I'm looking for something affordable. Basic. I don't like it. Natural. It's not really my thing. Repeat. It's not really my thing. I understand why people like it, but it's not really my thing. Basic. I like it. Natural. I'm really into it. Repeat. I'm really into it. I started learning English and now I'm really into it. Basic. I understand. Natural. That makes sense. Repeat. That makes sense. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Basic. I don't understand. Natural. I'm not sure I follow. Repeat. I'm not sure I follow. Sorry, I'm not sure I follow. Could you explain that again? Basic. I'm afraid. Natural. I'm nervous about it. Repeat. I'm nervous about it. I'm a little nervous about the interview. Basic. I'm very surprised. Natural. I didn't see that coming. Repeat. I didn't see that coming. Wow, I really didn't see that coming. Now let's do a mini conversation. Repeat after each line. How was your day? Honestly, it was a bit overwhelming. Did something happen? Nothing serious. I just had a lot on my plate. Are you okay now? Yes, I'm just exhausted. Do you want to talk about it? Maybe later. I need a quiet evening. That makes sense. Thanks. I'm glad you understand. One more conversation. What did you think of the movie? I thought it was surprisingly moving. Really? I thought it was a bit slow. I understand that. It's not for everyone. But the ending was powerful. Yes, I didn't see that coming. The story was really thought-provoking. I agree. It stayed with me after I watched it. Before we finish, let's review the most useful upgrades from today. Instead of happy, say glad, excited, or relieved. Instead of sad, say upset, disappointed, or I feel a bit low. Instead of angry, say frustrated, annoyed, or really bothered. Instead of interesting, say fascinating, meaningful, engaging, or thought-provoking. Instead of important, say this matters, crucial, essential, or a priority. Instead of difficult, say challenging, complicated, or demanding. Instead of easy, say simple, straightforward, or manageable. Instead of I'm very busy, say I have a lot on my plate. Instead of I understand, say that makes sense. Instead of I don't understand, say I'm not sure I follow. Instead of I don't like it, say it's not really my thing. Instead of I'm very surprised, say I didn't see that coming. And remember this, sounding natural in English is not about using the most advanced word. It's about choosing the right phrase for the real feeling, the real situation, and the real conversation. So this week, don't try to change everything. Just choose one basic phrase you use all the time. Maybe, I understand, I don't like it, or I'm very busy. And replace it with something more natural. Your English doesn't need to sound perfect, it just needs to sound more like you. Keep listening, keep repeating, and I'll see you in the next real-life English talk practice.